What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Culver City because the lid semi-annual clearance sale has finally started. Was here just a few days ago, but we're gonna stop by. We're gonna stop by a couple lids. Let's go. All right, I did hear from a couple of you guys. All right, let's go see what's up, man. It was 50% off last year, but now it's 40% off. All right, let's go. Let's go. So I got Boston t-shirts going for $18, 40% off. So it's at $10 pretty much. Yeah, a few sizes. Anthony Davis t-shirts, $26, medium XL. Doyers t-shirts going for $18. So that, oh, they got a few different Doyer t-shirts, a few different sizes. Okay. Black one as well. That's a small though. What team is this? I can't even tell what team it is. It is an XL. Why can't it? It is an NFL team. It's I don't know, it's Lions? What the heck? I'm tripping, y'all. Tripping. I don't even know what team it is. Whatever. So I guess we go for the price. $50. So it's 110 down to 50 and then another 40 off of that. It's a pretty dope jacket, actually. I was going to skip it, but pretty dope jacket. $77. 40 off of that. We got a USC polo going for $25. That's a L. That is a large. Nike going for double XL, going for $18. Minnesota Vikings, I hope you fools lose. Y'all lose. Niners get the 2 seed. This is what, $23. So that's what, a little over what, 14 bucks, 15 bucks maybe. Seattle shirts. New England Patriots, what's this going for? $15. UCLA hoodies go for $25, several sizes. $188 for this one. This is only a small though. If they had a bigger size, that would be fire. Lakers Fanatic hoodies go for $35, so under $20 for that. Look at this $20 jerseys, and look, got Fresno State PG jerseys, Paul George jerseys, $20. That's fire. Cody Bellinger, that fool got traded, so all their stuff, all his stuff on sale. Oh. That Mellow Ball jersey is going for $20? $20? What the hell? Holy crap. Yeah, that's dope if you're a Mellow Ball fan. Kawhi Leonard jerseys from San Diego State. It's called Retro brand. I've never heard of that brand. Got a few sizes. Kevin Love jerseys. A few different sizes. Kyle Kuzma from Utah. I forgot that fool's from Utah. Yeah, it's down to 50, down to $20. Holy crap. Holy crap. Donovan Mitchell's old team. I think some of you guys told me this. I think this is the, is that from the Negro League? I don't know. New York Cubans? I don't know. I think that's what some of y'all told me, right? I think so. But that's a Mexico jersey right there. I don't know where all these are from. They all $20, dude. $20. Some Kawhi Leonard kids jerseys. Also Carmelo Anthony kids jerseys. A few kids jerseys right here. And then they also got the shorts, Mitchell and S shorts. These are fire. The Lakers ones right here. What these going for? $71, $72, and then 40% off. So yeah, we've seen better prices. Oh, I got this one. Did get this one on sale. This is going for $45, and then another 40% off. So under $30 for those. Those are fire. Ooh, this Lakers one. How much is this Lakers one? These are medium. That's a medium right here. Oh, I can't do white though. I do have a white pair of shorts at home. What's the price? $64, and then you get 40 off. Oh, okay, so it's a little bit higher. It's a bit higher. What's this? Denver. Oh, Denver. Oh, that's a fire Denver Nuggets jersey. Shorts. My bad. Shorts. That's actually pretty dope. Some Iverson, $64 for that. That's pretty fire. Some kids jerseys. Then we also have men's jerseys right here. Men's jerseys. Got Shaquille O'Neal. These are all 40% off. Freaking $98, 40 off. Ooh, oh, that's kind of look dope until I saw that. That is a medium, going for $150. All these going for what, $98 or this? No, those are $130. All these Magic ones are $130. Orlando Magic jersey. I don't like this new one. I don't like this. dual shade one. It's $90 for that. That is a medium. Is that a kid jersey? Yeah, the kid jersey. What's this going for? I don't know how much this is going for. Oh, it's going for $98. Allen Iverson jersey. This is fire, dude. I'm not gonna lie, this is fire. How much does it go for? $98. That's one of the dopest ones here. There's a medium. This one's fire too. Elgin Baylor jersey. This is like $130 though. 130. Yeah, 131. You did get 40% off. So this is pretty dope. They only have a couple sizes. But the USA Authentic Magic Johnson jersey. These are fire, fire, fire. These are $3, right? Yeah, $3. It is screen printed though. I know that's how the original jerseys were, but I don't know. I don't know. That part feels kind of cheap. The material's super, super thick. Oh man, that looks awful. The Ray Allen jersey. Let me do the due diligence, show you guys how much it is. $100 for that. $100, but it is 40% off, so $60. What is this? Reggie Theus? Former Cal State Northridge head coach. $90 for that one. Reggie Theus jersey. Magic Johnson go for $90. That is a triple XL though. And what's that weird like blending of the colors ones? What the hell is this? What is this? Penny Hardaway? I've never even seen that jersey. That is a kid's though. Kids large. Go for $90. And then the last one here, got a few Iverson ones. Go for $135. That's about it, yo. Do got tons of stuff. Do have a few other things on sale. Most of the Mitchell & Ness most of the Mitchell & Ness Authentic stuff. Buy one, get one 50% off. Westbrook Nike jersey, that is 50 off right there. And then the Ezekiel Elliott's, those are going for 50% off because it's sitting on the bench maybe. All right, I think that's about it. All right, we're gonna hit up one more shop. Let's go. Next stop, man, I totally forgot to make an intro for this mall. We're at the South Bay Galleria. Do got a fan store. Do got that 40% off. Let's go see what's up. They got two separate racks of the 40% off stuff right here. We're gonna start on this side. I think this is the NFL stuff over here, then the NBA one on the other side. Rams. Is this kids? This looks small. It's a medium, dude. Yeah, this looks small as hell, dude. Looks like a kids. And that's going for $77. Yeah, this is kids as well. Go for $38. Kids Lakers shorts. These are Mitchell & Ness stuff right here. What is this going for? $40 for these. These are kids medium and a small. Is this an actual large? This is a kid's one too. $25. I think this is the large that I got for my kiddo. Lakers hoodies go for cheap, $38. All right, I think this is all kids gear. Let's go check the men's. Let's see what's up with the men's. $35 for these, medium and a large. It's Fanatics hoodie, Bellinger. All right, these are going for what $20? $20? Okay. Steve Nash jersey is going for $98. You get small, mediums. Ray Allen jersey going for $65. I'm not a fan of that one. This Lakers jersey. This one's going for $98. My bad, $98. Reggie Theus. We saw this earlier. Grant Hill jersey. Go for $90. That is a medium. Penny one too. $90 for Penny Hardaway. Oh, it's that weird two-tone. Okay, I thought it was just the Lakers Magic Johnson going for $90. Got a Bird jersey going for $90. It's a large. That two-tone thing is kind of weird. Magic Johnson, more of the two-tone stuff go for $90. Yeah, I'm not really feeling anything here today. What was that? Joe Smith. Joe Smith going for $90. Ooh, Niners shirts. All right, $33. It's a successful. 5 successful because they have 5 championships. Oh, okay, that's not bad. Not bad. $33. Conquest USC shirts going for $13. $13 for USC. $13 and then 40% off for that. Wow, that's cheap. That is hella cheap. Oh my goodness, more USC shirts. So we are seeing deals. $11, you get another 30% off. Really? I might get these for my pops. My sister went to USC. He has a USC dad, I guess. USC long sleeve shirts going for $25. Got UCLA as well. All kinds of sizes. All kinds of sizes. Dude got the Bear shirts going for $15. Bunch of dope. Do have a bunch of dope t-shirts. Look at that, dude. That's fire, actually. That's fire. Oh, Cleveland. Dude got Cleveland shirts going for $21. Oh, I need more presents, actually. So I'm going to grab this shirt for a present. I think both these fools wear larges. Yeah, and the mediums can't do. So they have one medium, one large. I'll have to get one of these. I sent family members a text message, see what's up. Ooh, what shirt is this? Oh, Kevin Love. Now these fools don't want no Kevin Love. Double XL too, or single XL. $10. $10. That is so cheap. And of course, plenty of Rams t-shirts going for $18. Yeah, these are short sleeve, bunch of sizes. Remember, you do get that 40 off. Then of course they do have hats. Anything that says 20, this is the first time they've actually had clear instructions. Anything that's 20 and below, it is freaking $10. So yeah, let's look around. Of course, plenty of Laker snapbacks. Ammo right here, that's pretty dope. Yeah, I don't understand all this weird color thing. I know they've been doing that with every team. I don't understand it. Steelers, that's not even a snapback, that's a one of those flex fit type of hats. Man, that's not bad. 42 down to 10. Boston cap right there. That's 25 though. Doyers snapback. Trucker hat going for 15. Down to $10. Another Doyer. Packers hat going for, that's one of those flex fit type of things. $20 down to 10. More Packers. Rams. Doyers. Yeah, I saw that one already. Ooh, Raiders down to $20. Then all the beanies down to $10. Army green Lakers right there. Not seeing anything super crazy dope though. All right, I'm grabbing this medium t-shirt. Pretty clean shirt, especially for what, $12, maybe $13. Normally $31. I was thinking about that Kings beanie for somebody, but I think I could do better. Is that a little too much? No, we're good. I'm grabbing both of these for friends. I just noticed this right here. Look at this. XL right here. These are all $10. These are all fools that got traded. Turner, Justin Turner, Bellinger. These are all. But yeah, kids jerseys for $10. It's not bad. They got these. Paul George, we saw this at that other spot. Oh, I'm sorry. Kawhi Leonard right here. Then we got Paul George on this one. These are all going for $20. Those are kind of bigger sizes. And then they got, I think this is the Negro League ones, right? Yeah, there you go. Yep. Learning from you guys. That's what I'm learning from, because I didn't know about that. Got Brooklyn ones as well. That's pretty dope. So ended up getting that beanie as well as that t-shirt. It was what, $24 after tax and everything. Not bad. I did come here a little bit late, so much for visiting that Lids. But there's plenty of Lids near me, so it is what it is. But I did want to hit up the Fanzz and the locker room by Lids, like whatever they're called. All right, let's go. Let's wrap it up.